All right, we got these guys some corn here. Actually, a mix. Let's see if these guys are gonna come down. Actually dropped off an order just a minute ago. I'm not gonna stick around for too long, but let's see. What's the deal, yo? Come back. I really don't know what their deal is. They've got good eyesight, but I'm not sure what the deal is. Let's maybe pull back a little bit, see if they're gonna come. I don't know. I really don't know what their deal is. I'm only gonna film for about 3 minutes, so if these guys got a chance, if they wanna come, they'll come. Come on, yo. Let's get. What's your deal, yo? I keep saying yo. It's funny. Maybe they're afraid. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay. I'm getting ready to go, so they come, they come.